My name is Jaquita Watters. I'm from Colorado and I'm here in southern Utah visiting some of the sites. I decided I was going to buy a vest from thevestguy.com, and you can tell that I've got my camera attached. I've been in photography for about 6 years. In the pockets I have the cleaning rags and some filters, and you can also put keys in there or whatever you want. And on the other side here on these pockets I have flashlights for light painting. I've got some extra batteries, and you can also put keys in here if you wish. In the larger pockets you sometimes carry the 100-400 lens in here, and I've also got a macro lens and a 50mm lens. And then there's this pocket here, I carry the 16-35 lens or the 105mm lens, and there's also other pockets down below, the camelback in the back, and it's really easy accessible and it's not that heavy, and it also has a place for the tripod with easy accessibility. I love it. I like the mesh because it allows more air to breathe through the fabric. I've worn it in Arches National Park, I've worn it in Canyonlands, I've worn it in Rocky Mountain National Park, the Black Canyon pocket here, and I've got some more racks. And then on this side here, there's more pockets right here, and there's also some on the back side.